ever pondered what the future holds for the internet and blockchain technology? Picture this: a world where the internet has evolved beyond our wildest imagination, a world of seamless connectivity and limitless possibilities. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, there's a silent revolution brewing in the form of blockchain technology. It's a game changer, with the potential to redefine the way we interact, transact, and navigate the digital sphere. But like any revolution, it's not without its challenges. Scalability, for instance, is a significant hurdle. As blockchain networks expand, so does the complexity of maintaining them. Interoperability is another obstacle. How do we ensure these burgeoning blockchains can communicate with each other? And then there's sustainability, a concern that's becoming increasingly vital in our modern world. But fear not, for there's a project that's rising to these challenges. Enter Cosmos, the project aiming to create the Internet of Blockchains. So what exactly is Cosmos, and how does it aim to build the Internet of Blockchains? Well, imagine a universe where independent galaxies can interact and collaborate without the need for a central governing body. That's the dream Cosmos is striving to realize. But in the realm of blockchain technology, Cosmos in its core is a decentralized network of independent blockchains, each powered by Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus algorithms like Tendermint. These blockchains, or as Cosmos refers to them, zones, operate independently, but are connected through the Cosmos Hub, a central blockchain that maintains the network's overall security. One of the key features of Cosmos is its scalability. Unlike traditional blockchain platforms that are hampered by low throughput, Cosmos zones can process many transactions simultaneously, thereby increasing the overall capacity of the network. Interoperability is another major selling point of Cosmos. It allows different blockchains to communicate and transact with each other seamlessly, breaking down the barriers that have long isolated blockchain communities. And let's not forget about security. Through the Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus algorithm, Cosmos ensures that even if some nodes in the network act maliciously or malfunction, the system as a whole can continue to function correctly. By addressing these challenges, Cosmos is paving the way for a new era of blockchain technology, where isolated blockchains become a thing of the past. In essence, Cosmos is on a mission to unite the blockchain universe without sacrificing the principles of decentralization. To sum up, Cosmos is not just another blockchain platform. It's the future of the internet and blockchain, a revolutionary concept that is building the internet of blockchains. By enabling different blockchains to communicate and interact seamlessly, Cosmos is poised to significantly transform the blockchain industry and the way we use the internet. With its potential to bridge the gap between isolated blockchains, the horizon looks promising. One thing is certain: the future of the internet and blockchain is exciting, and Cosmos is at the heart of this evolution.